Hello, my name is Erika Caterina Tolosa Bautista. Evaluation Sonido. Teaching in Microfinance Services and Operation. Where evaluations are constantly being studied, some inexhaustive, then becomes the primary base for understanding the attitudes and motivation that influence people's perception. The values that each lower moment can contrast and manifest. They have their origins in the family. Some are the product of the influence of friendships and the cultural environment in which they develop. Is a geniality at Kerry is the first years of life that are the streaming in the educational center as well as in the different labor organization, so the most organization might have the purpose of promoting and practicing evaluations to that will be of benefit to the company, which will result in a good labor performance.